Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can zoom in a video in Shotcut. So let's jump right into the video and not wasting any seconds. So what you have to do pretty much is just drag your video, drag it into the timeline, and then what you have to do, it's pretty simple. You just have to head over to filters, and here you have to add a filter, right? So it's very easy, just here, right? Scale. We have saturation. We also can look through all the filters here. We have a bunch of filters available for us. And now what you can do here is you can write size, position, and rotate, and then add this to your video. Now we can simply add a cut here, situate or position a cursor, and here you can press on your keyboard S. Now here, let's say maybe we want to zoom in, so we can center this right over there, and you can now position the video. You can zoom the video, and now this is like more like what it's called, I forgot. This is like a jump cut.